This is straight out of the tube toothpaste, and then we're going to make our yogurt by adding some more water to the toothpaste to make the yogurt. So just a little bit more water, and you won't need a whole lot. It's more paint, less water. Then after we get that settled in there, we're going to add even more water, which will come out to be that 50% in milk. Let's say I have a project and I really need a lot of water and a lot of paint. Okay, a little guy like this, all right, and this isn't going to really do me a lot of good if I need to use this. See how that just doesn't work out very well. So I encourage you to practice this. Okay, so I gotta get my circle. And I just do lots and lots of lines. So then, when I get my center line, she's front facing directly at us. That makes it a little bit easier. It can be challenging if you try so hard to make everything so symmetrical. Don't give yourself that hardship. Figure out where your eyes are going to be. Eyes are always in the middle of the head. So if I were to draw on Maud, there's the middle line, there's my eye line, nose, mouth. So I can cut it up myself to know exactly where things are. Okay, it also gives me an idea about what I need for her chin, because I can just draw a line down, so that's where her chin is, right? So the angle comes up and then meets with this. So then I'm able to get her face shape. So everything connects, everything connects. Finally, I'm gonna grab a lot more water to bring in that tea. I suggest continuing to practice this 4th step until you've got a good